What's up, guys? We're gonna try something a little different now going forward. The plan is to link a video or a link into the email so that it'll take you to our YouTube page or my YouTube page, to where we'll have kind of this setup to where I can talk to you, kind of go over the workout, just as we do in person. Maybe do some demo of the movements and kind of give you an idea as to what we're kind of going for with the workout, and maybe give you some tips on how to attack it. So basically the exact same thing as we do in person. So Wednesday workout is a 15-minute EMOM, every minute on the minute, but we got 3 movements. So on minute 1, we will do 12 alternating V-ups. We'll demonstrate that here in just a second. On the set, you'll rest for the remainder of time that it takes you to do the 12 reps. You'll do, on the second minute, so from 0 to 1, 12 alternating V-ups. From minute 1 to 2, you'll do 10 push-ups. From on the next minute, you'll do 10 object rows. I'm going to demonstrate all 3 of these movements here in just a second. But after those 3 minutes, you start back over. So you'll touch each movement 5 total times. Okay, every minute on the minute. Rest after you perform each movement for the remainder of that time, and then start fresh on the new minute. So let's go ahead and demonstrate a couple of those movements now. If I can move this camera to where you can maybe see me. First one is 12 alternating V-ups. We have done this one in class before, if I'm not mistaken. You're going to lay flat on the floor, and we're going to take one leg. We'll take the left leg and to the right hand and down. That's 1, 2. For scales for this, we'll do to the knee. Same thing, to the knee. We're trying to get our torso off the floor while bringing one leg up to us. So that's a scale for that. Another one could be if you're seated in a chair, you're just going to bring one knee to an elbow. Seated in a chair doing something similar. 12 total repetitions, so 1, 2, 3, all the way to 12. So 6 total reps on each side. Next is the push-up. I don't feel like I need to demonstrate that for you all. We've done plenty of those in class. 12 object rows. You can use anything that you have in your house. You can use a milk jug, even a bucket that might have a handle. Preferably 2 if you have it, but if not, no big deal. If we're doing the 12, the 10 object rows, so you'll have the dumbbells. Make sure that we're utilizing the same movement patterns that we have when we've done our demonstration classes or our technique sessions. If you're picking up everything off the ground, make sure we get a good flat back. We're bending with the legs and lifting with our legs through the floor rather than using our lower back. But the object here is we're going to pick up our objects. We're going to bend slightly at the waist, and we're going to row the weight up to the chest. Okay, we're doing 12 repetitions. If you don't have 2 objects at the house, we'll do 10 with each arm. Okay, so pick up the weight. Same thing here though. Bend over at the waist, rowing that weight up to the chest. Okay, trying to keep our legs a little bit bent. Our torso is straight lines rather than rounding of our back. Try to stay flat as possible, rowing that weight up. We've got 10 repetitions of those. Rest for the remainder of that time. Continue on with the next movement. So, if you guys have any questions or any need a little bit extra advice for these workouts, feel free to leave us a comment, send us an email, whatever you prefer. But hope y'all have fun with this workout, and we'll see you on Sunday.